In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make floating text effect in Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and find the text that you want to work with. As you can see, I've got some text right here on my screen and currently it's not really doing anything. So we want to make it floating. Now, what you need to do that is simply click on the text you highlighted, and once you've highlighted the text, you will see a bunch of different buttons appear either above or below the text. In my case, they're above, and from these buttons, I want you to click on this animation button right here. Once you've done that, a new window is going to open up on the right hand side of the text right here, and you want to close in the entrance tab and open up the loop one. That way you're going to get a constant animation, which will allow us to get that floating feeling of the text, should I say. Now, the one you want to choose is this breathe option right here, because that's the most natural one that will give us that floating effect. Then I want you to click on customize right here, because we want to make some custom changes to the floating effect and give it make it more natural basically. So from here, for the distance, I'm going to make mine 20. This is in reference to how far the text travels up and down. The minimum is unfortunately 20. You can't really make it any less than that. For the duration, I found that 2 seconds is the best and gives it the most natural look. Now that we've added the floating text effect, let's go ahead and add it to the actual place where we want the text to be. In my case, it was right up here. So let's go ahead and preview it and we can see what it looks like once it's next to other elements. As you can see, that's how it floats. It's a bit fast. You could make this much slower if you want to make it more natural. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a floating text effect in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.